we are discussing about the TIG welding. TIG welding means tungsten inert gas welding. Tungsten is generally used for welding as a electrode, right? And the inert gas we should use here, basically the argon in tungsten welding, tungsten inert gas welding. Sometimes it is also we should use argon and helium mixture, argon and hydrogen, argon and nitrogen, and argon and oxygen. This type of gas, other than helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygens are not the inert, but when it is mixed, it acts as an inert gas. The full welding equipment is also shown in the figure. This is the inert gas cylinder. Here it is connected with the pressure regulator. The pressure regulator it is 1 to 1.5 kg per centimeter. And here the hose will go to the torch, and here it is a torch. The torch, the gases are also passes through this torch, and the electrode is also here. The tungsten electrode, this is a green color shown, and gases are also passed through this torch. And now this is the welding power source, and this is the workpiece. And now this is the red color. It is the filler rod or filler metal, and it is controlled by feed controlling system. Now about this equipment: welding torch, tungsten electrode, and filler metal, welding power source and high frequency unit, DC suppressor unit and cable, inert gas cylinder with regulator and flow meter, air and water cool system. I told that if the amperage of current is 150 degree, then we should use air cooling system, and above it we should use the water cooling system. It is up to 200 to 1000 amperage, and this system should be here in the torch handle or in the torch system. Now we are discussing about this welding, how the GTAW welding operations are done. Firstly, there is the electrode preparation. Firstly we have to show that the electrode preparation. Basically, electrodes for the preparation of this electrode, which type of material we are going to weld, and which type of gas we are using. Depending upon this, the electrodes are prepared. If we should maintain DC positive, basically DC positive is generally used for magnesium and aluminium. But other than this, DC minus, this reverse polarity is maintained. If we maintain the AC, the shape will be little ball type end, and DC positive also little ball type end. Not like AC. The AC ball will be more diameter, and this shape is also shown in the figure. That is the pointed end, that should be 0.8 mm to 0.7 mm. The length of the taper end should be 15 to 20 mm. Now the installation and backup plate for purging. Basically, when we are going to weld for the TIG welding, the total surfaces, the welding surfaces and back surfaces should be cleaned properly, and that should be removed from the oil, grease and other things. And the most of the cases, it is a sophisticated welding cases, we are using the purging. For the pipe welding purpose that I have shown here, these are two pipe pieces that has to be joined. The OD of this, the inside ID of the pipe, the two metal pieces, and a hose will be fitted with it. Through this hose, the argon gas should be passes or inert gas should be passes, and that should be, from that side is also a plate is also fixed with inside it, and this gas will be outletted through this hose. This is the purging process. Purging process means the scavenging of the extra material, this any type of dirty things are there that has to be removed. This is all about this purging process. Thereafter, number 3, the initiation of the arc. The initiation of the arc that should be done by touch and draw method. The arc should be produced. Firstly, we have to come in contact the job and the tungsten piece. Then the arc will be produced, or it may be scratched on the job piece. This arc will be produced, and this arc we have to maintain it. It should be near about 10 mm to 15 mm. That should be maintained. That is the maintenance of this maintenance of this arc. And now lastly we are telling about this welding technique. The leftward technique is prepared here with reverse polarity. That should be maintained. The direction also shown, the electrodes and the filler material I have shown, and the direction of this electrode also welding should I have shown in the figure. After completion of this, we should stop this arc welding. It should be removed very smoothly. Otherwise, due to high use of heat, the tungsten may be contaminated in the welding zone, and that will be a defect. And thereafter, another thing I am telling you very frankly, the control of this gas flow in the argon inert gas. If any turbulence in the gas flowing condition, that may cause a smoke tube in the welding zone. So that has to be controlled. This gas flow rate is in general practice 0.8 to 1 liter per minute. That should be it is depending upon the plate thickness and types of welding and the material we are going to use, and so depending upon this we can change it. So this is all about this TIG welding. Thank you.